Hello students, in last session our examples up to the example number 6 is completed. Example number 6 is related to mode. Now we go through our exercise 14.2. The exercise 14.2 basically depends on a mode of group data. Let us discuss first one from exercise 14.2. The exercise 14.2 is the mix up of mean of group data and mean of ungrouped data. In the first one I will discuss here mean and mode both, but whenever next to next questions the mean you should try to find yourself. The first one, see the question on your page number 275. Exercise 14.2, the first number. The following table shows the ages of the patient admitted in a hospital during a year. Age in years 5 to 15, 15 to 25, up to 55 to 65. The all class intervals are continuous form. Number of patient means the frequency is given 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and the 5. Find mode and mean of the given data. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. As we know, there are three measures of central tendency: mean, median and the mode. Right now we are finding two things, mean and mode. The mode is first and mean is second, but I will find here mean is first. Calculation of mean. For that, the table is drawn here. Whenever the method is not given, we are discussing here step deviation method, mean using the step deviation method. The age and the number of patient. The second column, number of patient, is the frequency Fi. Total frequency Fi. The total is not given. The first of all, we have to add frequency Fi and obtain sigma Fi is equals to which is 80. Sigma Fi is equals to 80. Now the third column is for class mark Xi. Using the step deviation method, fourth column is for Ui is equals to Xi minus A upon H, and last is for Fi into Ui. Now to find the class mark, first of all decide here the class size. Class size H is equals to 10. For the first class mark, 15 plus 5, 20. 20 divided by 2 we get 10. Now we add 10, 10, 10 to consecutive class marks 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now to find Ui, first of all take A from Xi. Suppose 40 is our A. In front of A, Ui is 0. Below side 1, 2. And upside -1, -2, -3. You can write it easily, but keep in mind always the class mark H are same. Now we multiply Fi with the Ui. 6 3s are -18. 11 2s are -22. 21 1s are -21. In front of 0 is 0. 14 1s are 14. 5 2s are 10. Now 14 plus 10, which is 24, and 18, 22 and 21. Minus 61, we have to subtract 24 from the 61. 11 minus 4, which is 7. 5 minus 2, which is 3. That's why sigma Fi Ui is equals to -37. -37 is the answer of sigma Fi Ui. Here the assume mean A is equals to 40 by using step deviation method. x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. Now we substitute all the values. A is 40 plus sigma fi ui, which is minus 37, sigma fi is 80, and h is equals to h is 10. Now 0 0 is cut. 40 plus minus minus. Now we divide 37 by 8. If you are not able to division, use our first chapter. Four 4.625. Here the 4.625 is the division. Now we subtract 4.625 from 40. 40 minus 4.625. 0 0 0. 5 is here. 9 minus 2 means 7 is here. 9 minus 6 3 is here. Here also 9. 9 minus 4 5 is here, and here is a 3. 35.375. 35.375 is the mean of given data. Now we discuss mode. Whenever you get somewhat changes after the decimal point, it is also appreciable in examination. Now the calculation of mode. Calculation of mode Z. First of all, to find the mode of given data, decide the modal class using the highest frequency. Here the highest frequency is 23. 23 lies in class interval 35 to 45. Here 23 is highest frequency, lies in class 35 to 45. Therefore, class 35 to 45 is modal class. Now L is equals to 35, lower limit of modal class. Class size H is equals to here 10. As we know, the highest frequency is called F1. F0 is 21 and F2 is a 14. F1 is the frequency of modal class. F0 is the frequency of class preceding the modal class, and F2 is the frequency of class succeeding the modal class. Now we use formula to find mode. Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now L is the lower limit, which is 35, plus F1 minus F0, 23 minus 21 upon 2 into F1 is a 23 minus F0 is a 21 minus F2 is a 14, and the class size H is equals to 10 here. 35 plus 23 minus 21, which is 2. 23 2s are 46 minus 35. Multiply it with 10. 35 plus 20. 46 minus 35, which is 11. Now we divide 20 by 11. 35 plus 20 divide by 11. 11 ones are 11. 9 and 0 point. 11 8s are 88. 2 and 0, 11 ones are 11. Now 90, then 9, Then our answer is 1.82. 1.82 is equals to, therefore Z is equals to 36.82. Here both mean and mode is obtained in the question. The question says that compare and interpret two measures of central tendency. A mean gives us average and a mode gives us most frequently occurred observation. Here most frequently or mostly most of the people of age 36.82 years and average number of patients are 35.375 is our answer. 35.375. You can also write 35.36. Now we go through the second number. Now whenever in this exercise also in the question the mean, find the mean instruction is given, try to yourself to find the mean like this, mean and mode in same sum. Now the second number. Second number is, see the question in your textbook again on a page number 275. On a page number 275, read the question. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetime in hours of 225 electrical components. Lifetime in hours, the class intervals are given, written here, and the frequency 10, 35, 52, 61, 38 and the 29. The total frequency is 225. Determine the mode lifetime of components. Modal lifetime of components mean the mode of given data. Here the table is obtained here. Table is for obtaining the value of F0, F1 and F2. First of all we decide the highest frequency. Here the highest frequency is 61. 61 is highest frequency lies in the class 60 to 80. Therefore, class 60 to 80 is modal class. Now we decide L and H first. L is equals to lower limit of modal class 60. H is equals to the class size. Class size is here 20. Now from the table, highest frequency is 61. 61 is the frequency of modal class F1. Frequency of class preceding the modal class F0 and frequency of the class succeeding the modal class, which is 38. F0, F1 and F2 are consecutives. Now we use the formula to find mode Z is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now L is equals to lower limit, which is 60, plus F1 is equals to 61 minus F0, which is 52 upon 2 into F1, 2 into 61 minus F0 52 and minus F2 is 38. And the class size H is 20. 60 as it is plus 61 minus 52, 11, 61 2s are 122 minus 90 and here is the 20 is equals to 60 plus 11 upon 122 minus 90 2 3, 32, and here is the 20. Now by 4 cut is possible. 8 and 5, 60 plus 11 5s are 55 upon 8. Now we divide 55 by 8. 48, 64, 7s are 56 and 5s are 6.875. 60 plus 6.875. That's why Z is equals to 66.875. In the question, here is the 9, here is the 9, here is the 45, and here is the 5. That's why here is the 65. 65.875. In the question, we need to find modal lifetime of components. Therefore, modal lifetime of components is 65.875 years. Keep in mind, always our answer lies between our model class. Our model class is 60 to 80. The answer is 65 to 875 lies in this class interval. Now we discuss the third number. Third number is again on a page number 275. See the question first. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of villages. Find the model monthly expenditure of families and also find the mean monthly expenditure. Try to find by yourself. Here I am discussing also the mode of data, means the model monthly expenditure. For that, one table is here. The first of all, decide the highest frequency. Here the highest frequency is 40. 40 is called F1, its previous F0 and its succeeding F2. F0, 1 and 2 are consecutive. The highest frequency is 14. Here 40 is highest frequency lies in the class 1500 to 2000. Therefore, class 1500 to 2000 is model class. That's why our answer lies between 1500 to 2000. L, lower limit of model class 1500, class size H is equals to 500. Now F0, F1 and F2 are in the table. Now we are using the formula. Mod is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now L is the lower limit, means the 1500 plus F1 minus F0 40 minus F0 24 upon 2 into F1 2 into 40 minus F0, which is 24, minus F2 is 33, and the class size H is equals to 500. 1500 as it is, plus 40 minus 24 16 upon 80 minus 57 and 500. 1500 plus 16 upon 23 into 500. Right now the cut is not possible. 1500 plus 8000 upon 23. Now we divide 8000 by 23. Whenever we divide 8000 by 23, we get 47 point 1 minute. $847 means the 347.83 approx, which is 1847.83. Answer of mode. Answer of mode means the model monthly expenditure of family. Therefore, model monthly expenditure of family is rupees 1847.83 rupees. Hence here the question number 3 is completed. In the 3 again it is the calculation of mode. Try to find out calculation of mean by yourself. Now we discuss our next sum. Let's see the next number. From exercise 14.2, the question number 4 on a page number 276. Try yourself. In this one, we need to find both mode and mean as per our question number 2. As you know how to solve first one, same as our fourth number. Now discussing the fifth number, and then again the question number 6 we discussed in next session. Let's see the fifth number. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of world in one day international cricket matches. Runs scored, the class intervals are here, and the number of batsmen 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3 and 1, 1 is here. Find the mode of data. To find the mode of this data, first of all decide the model class using the highest frequency. Here highest frequency is 18, highest frequency is 18, lies in class 4000 to 5000. Therefore, class 4000 to 5000 is model class, and our answer lies between 4000 to 5000. The mode of given data is greater than 4000 and but less than 5000. Here the lower limit is equals to 4000. The class size H is equals to 1000. Highest frequency of model class F1, frequency of class preceding the model class F0, and the frequency of class succeeding the model class is F2. Now we use the formula to find mode. Mode is equals to L plus into bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Keep in mind the order of F1, F0, then below side 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Now we substitute all the values. L is equals to 4000 plus F1 minus F0. F1 is a 18 minus F0 is a 4 upon 2 into F1, 2 into 18 minus 4 minus F2 is equals to 9, and the class size which is 1000. 4000 remains as it is. 18 minus 4, which is 14. 18 twos are 36 minus 13 upon multiply with 1000. 4000 as it is plus 14 upon 36 minus 13, which is 23, and here is the 1000. 4000 remains as it is plus 14,000 divide by 23. The division of 14,000 by 23, we get 608.7, which is approx. Whenever you divide 14,000 by 23, it gives us 608.7 approximate. 4,000 plus 608.7 is equals to 4,608.7. Mode of data. See in the question, we need to find the mode of the data. Therefore, mode of given data is 4608.7. Hence here our fifth number is completed, fourth number try yourself. Now whenever we meet in next session, one sixth number is incompleted, we discuss sixth number and then we go for a median of group and ungrouped data. Try to practicing some of these chapters very well. If you have any query regarding your homework, please tick mark it. Whenever we meet, we can solve it easily.